So another type of compressor that we can look at is an optical compressor, which is this LA-2A, again, universal audio, but every company sells a version of it. But these compressors are known for being low and slow. They kind of grab the back end of the audio signal and the transients and just kind of like shape everything really nicely. I find when I use this compressor, it's at the end of my chain, kind of at the end of all the compression I'm doing. And I use just a little bit of it just to round out the signal just a little bit. Sounds really, really nice.